case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2010 Vernor v. Autodesk Inc. case, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit had to determine whether Timothy Vernor, who sold used copies of Autodesk's AutoCAD Release 14 software on eBay, had the legal right to sell the software under the first sale doctrine. The court analyzed the Software License Agreement, SLA, for Release 14, which prohibited users from modifying or reverse engineering the software, among other restrictions. The doctrine applied if the court determined Autodesk had sold copies or licensed copies of Release 14 to its customers. The court found that Autodesk's customers were licensees, not owners, which meant Vernor wasn't entitled to the first sale doctrine for his sales. The court ruled that Vernor's sales violated Autodesk's exclusive distribution rights, and installing the software infringed Autodesk's reproduction rights. The court reasoned that software customers couldn't claim the essential step defense under a restrictive license agreement. Consequently, the case was returned to the district court to consider Vernor's copyright misuse defense.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.